specialized in programming and manufacturing stone processing machines to cutting and milling machines. The company have 22 years old, and we started our lean life about 15 months ago. We started our lean journey on the bathrooms. The bathrooms are our best training rooms, and after we spread this culture to complete factory. In the past, we have tried another conventional approach to the lean, but really, the 2-second lean culture really works in our factory. We start all the days with our refreshing meeting morning, where we take care of our mind and our body. Let's go to follow some examples of our lean journey with Tiago, that is a lean leader. Let's go.
We have a book club 3 days a week. We have a meeting every morning, and then we have a warm-up.
This is our lean bathroom. What we do is we clean it right after we use it, and we take care of how we use it. So we've got instructions, how we use it, more instructions here. It's simple to wash, to clean it up, more instructions, and that's it. When we use it, we've got this wet mop, dry mop, to clean the floor and dry the floor right after. We use a safety stock in a Kanban system, so when we reach a safety stock, in this case 3 units, we take this and we put it here to be ordered. We use this table to measure and cut it. So the table goes here, it comes in here, we coil it here, then we cut it, right measure, that's it. We also made a smaller door in this huge gate, because every time we needed to get something here, we had to open this huge gate. And now, since most things fit here, we just open this door and close it. You see as an example of our tool cabinets. It's organized. We always know when something's missing. This is an example of some improvements we've made last year. We made an election to decide which were the best. These were the best. This is another improvement. Once we finish taking our coffee, the cup goes here and spoon goes here. Everything we have here is listed in something like this. When we need something, we've got barcode, we've got a barcode scanner, we just scan it. This is the toolbox we take to our clients when they call in an assistance. Everything's organized. And we've got this to know what belongs where and what we've got. This is Automation's collective toolset with pictures. Everything fits here.